Welcome to our tutorial on how to create captivating videos using the AI-powered platform at ai.invideo.io. Let's Step 1. Visit ai.invideo.io. Next, open your web browser and go to ai.invideo.io. Click on Sign Up and click on the Sign Up button to create your account. Step 3. Click on Generate. Next, once logged in, click on Generate to start the video creation process. Provide a prompt, and here, provide a prompt or script for the AI to generate a storyline. Step 6. Choose the theme and choose a theme that best suits your video narrative. Step 7. Use the slides and utilize the slides generated by the AI to craft your video storyline. Congratulations! You've now learned the basic steps to create stunning and unique videos using ai.invideo.io.